Welcome to Sky and Sea Reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Embraer Phenom 100, a private jet that combines modern technology with efficiency to offer a seamless flying experience for business and leisure. As a light jet, the Phenom 100 promises luxury, functionality, and innovation, making it perfect for short-haul flights with a touch of class. Performance. The 2025 Phenom 100 boasts powerful next-gen engines, providing impressive thrust and reliable performance for fast and efficient travel. With an improved climb rate and cruising speed, this jet allows passengers to reach their destinations faster and more comfortably. The Phenom 100 is engineered to handle a range of short to medium flights with an extended range, setting it apart as a top contender in its class. Exterior design. The Phenom 100's exterior design is sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably sophisticated. With Embraer's signature smooth lines and attention to detail, the 2025 model brings a refined, polished look that not only enhances its aerodynamic capabilities but also makes a bold statement on the tarmac. The jet's streamlined shape contributes to fuel efficiency and provides a quieter ride. Interior design. Inside, the Phenom 100 offers a luxurious cabin designed with comfort and functionality in mind. The spacious interior features plush seating, customizable layouts, and advanced in-flight entertainment options, creating an ideal environment for work or relaxation. High-quality materials and ergonomic seating ensure that passengers travel in complete comfort, while state-of-the-art lighting and temperature control elevate the in-flight experience. Fuel efficiency. Fuel efficiency is another highlight of the Phenom 100, designed with eco-conscious technology to reduce emissions and operational costs. The jet's lightweight construction and advanced engine performance contribute to minimized fuel consumption, allowing operators to save on costs while reducing their carbon footprint. In summary, the 2025 Embraer Phenom 100 is more than just a light jet. It's a well-rounded, luxurious travel solution for those who value performance, style, and efficiency. Stay tuned to Sky and Sea Reviews for more in-depth looks at today's leading aircraft and innovations.